More do-it-yourself maintenance on a 2014 GMC Terrain. Today we're going to change the cabin filter on this GMC. It's easy to do. You don't even need no tools to do it, so that makes it even better. Pop the glove box open. Pick up on the glove box. It hooks in on these rods right there, and then it slips. This rubber stopper slips out from behind this, and then you have one tab, two tabs, little trap door, and your cabin filter. See, it's got leaves and debris and all kinds of stuff in there. One thing you do want to make sure of is that arrow is pointing down. That's the flow of air. You know, the top of this filter was full of leaves, so that means that would be the top part of the arrow, and the air would come through the filter into the blower motor. So we're going to lift the trap door. Gently put the cabin filter back in there. The wrong way. I'm going to lift the trap door and gently slide that cabin filter in there. Then you want to close the trap door, make sure both sides latch. Then you're going to go back with the glove box door. So you're going to hook it up like that, and then push it back down on them rods. And as long as it closes and lines up like it should, you're gonna have to wipe them 3 fingerprints off. But as long as it closes and lines up like it should, you're good to go. This filter was $10. You're probably gonna look at a markup on the parts at an auto shop. So it'll probably be $30 plus. They might even charge up to a half-hour labor to do this. But you can see how long it took. You're probably looking at about $50 then, so you're already at $80 for a cabin filter. So don't be afraid to get out and try some stuff on your vehicle. This was simple. You can do it, and it'll save you about $80. You probably need to do it about once a year, if not twice a year if you're in like a dusty area, if you're on a farm, or you know, in city traffic with, you know, a lot of smog and nasty air. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll try to post some more handy stuff you can do on your own to save some money.